Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to change your cover photo in Facebook. First of all, you have to open your Facebook app. After opening your Facebook app, you can see a page interface something like this. Then you can see what's on your mind written on your screen. Just besides what's on your mind, there is a profile icon with your profile picture. You have to tap on that. After tapping, a page something like this will come. Then you can see that this is your cover photo and this is your profile picture. You can see the camera icon besides your cover photo and profile picture. Then tap on the camera icon on your cover photo. Something like this will pop in your screen. You can see your cover photo, upload photos, select photos on Facebook and create collage on this screen. Then you can either upload a photo or select photo on Facebook as your cover photo. So I'm tapping on upload a photo. After tapping, you have to select a cover photo from your camera roll. After selecting, it will appear on your screen. Then you can drag or move cover photo to put it in a desired place. Then tap on save. Then you can go back to your profile and refresh the page. Then you can see your new cover photo in your Facebook profile page. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We will be back with other videos. Till then, keep watching.